Hey guys, so this is the least fancy cooking that you'll probably ever see, but I remember that somebody posted on the Facebook Strongfit community that they were looking for some simple stuff to make that was according to protocol. So I came up with just the spinach and feta cheese. There you go. 2 ingredients, super simple, doesn't need a lot of work. So you take your plate, take the spinach. I use the stewed spinach because I like it because it's nice and creamy. You can also use something else if you want, of course. Pop it under the cutting board so it doesn't move anywhere. Some feta cheese. Something like this. I use a serrated knife because it cuts easier. I tried the really sharp regular knife, but it just wouldn't cut through the plastic as easy, so this is what I came up with. So here we go. That's the feta cheese cut. I can wash it. Toss plastic. Go. Of course, grab the spoon. Clip. Oh, keep that one. These are cool. You can buy them at IKEA. Don't cost anything. All right. Couple of seconds. There we go. Lid off. There we go. Just mash it a little bit, like so. Smash it a little bit. Just the microwave doesn't, warm it up equally, so you have to distribute the warm stuff. It doesn't have to be defrosted all the way, because now that the cheese is going in. There we go. Pop in the cheese. Put that in the bin. Spread out the cheese a little bit. There we go. There we go. And then, don't forget the lid. Another 2 minutes. The spinach is about there's a little bit less than 400 grams in there, so it's about 15 ounces, I guess. So it doesn't need a lot of time. I just put it on 2 minutes at 800 watts. Should be enough. Spoon. Delicious. So this was inspired by a meal that was served at my school during lunch, and they had a pasta with feta spinach sauce, and because the pasta is not according to protocol, I just said like, oh, why not just take away the pasta? It will probably taste just as good. And it actually does. This is like a 5-minute meal, you know. So it's the best I actually came up with. So it's super simple, easy, 2 ingredients, a microwave, and a plate. You can actually use a glass container for that as well. Yep, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yeah, so now we're just waiting. A colleague of mine asked me if I eat the same thing every day. I basically do. So, yeah, because it's good, it's fast, and it's easy, but mostly because it's good. And it tends to fill me up until like 4. So now we have that. Okay. Rookie mistake with the microwave. If there's a lot of like moist coming off of it, don't close the fucking door. Don't close it, because then all the moisture is just condensing inside of the microwave, and it will stink it up. So just leave it like this or like this, but don't close it, because it will start to smell really bad. All right, awesome. So you can see that the feta cheese is nice and warm. Everything is nice and warm. If you have real feta cheese, it will actually not melt. You know, so this is really good feta cheese, ecological or biological feta cheese, and it gets a little bit soft, but it actually doesn't melt. It does give off some fluids, but it just blends nicely with the spinach. So there you go, done in 5 minutes. Enjoy.